Hi. Okay, so I'm going to share with you the recent enhancement that we did to the warehouse app. Now, this warehouse app actually allows transfer of inventory from one outlet to another outlet. So hopefully, with this enhancement, actually we can uh, actually help solve some of our clients' challenges. Okay. Now, the reason why we also built this is because it's actually meant for the front staff to be able to use it using their login. They do not need backend access. Okay, so as long as they have two different outlets and both outlets has this app installed, they can do this. Okay, so I'm going to keep this. I had actually developed this guide. This guide is actually meant for our ops team. I'll be glad to share with y'all. But to keep this video short, I'm going to do a quick demo of the app, just to show you some of the key features. Okay, it's a separate app called the EPOS Warehouse. Okay, so the login will be using the user ID and also the PIN they use to log into the POS. So they will actually see this purchase order, which is the previous feature that we built for Hockey Pal, using the purchase order from the back end. This stock transfer that we recently developed, as I said, actually uses the transfer inventory feature that we have on the back end. So it's very similar. So let me just click on it. So once you click on it, you will see all the inventory transfer, whether is it created through this warehouse app or on the back end, it will all be shown here, right? So we allow them to actually filter. For example, they can filter by incoming, which is from other outlets to your outlet, or outgoing, and things like that. So I'm going to show you how to create a new stock transfer. So one other reason we actually developed this on the app is because uh, clients like Citrus Socks, they actually use the barcode scanner a lot. All right. So when they come to this screen to add items to the transfer, they just have to scan, and the item will be added in. If they keep scanning the same product, we will just increase the quantity. They can scan other products, and it's added. So if they scan back the same product again, we actually add it into a separate line item. Okay, so if you notice, the Oreo has two separate line items. Okay, so after adding all the items to the list, they just have to click next. We will actually, for those duplicated line items, we will merge it together, and then they will actually see the total quantity here. Right? Choose the outlet they want to deliver to. For example, Bugis, and transfer reference number. Okay, so create stock transfer. Okay, so that's it. It's done. Right. So today, after they created the transfer, if they want to delete it, they still can if they have not sent any goods yet. Okay, so they have a cancel transfer feature, and also print the requested, which is all this detail on the screen. The requested amount will be printed on the POS receipt machine printer itself. All right. We currently do not support the A4 size printout yet. It might be for the future. Okay, so to send goods, they just have to click send goods. And then we have already helped them to put in all the amount. They still, at this point, they can still change the requested amount during the first send goods. Okay, let's say they decided to send this transfer request, right, in two separate send goods. The first time they can still change, but the second time onwards they cannot. Okay, so put in the DO number. Okay, change if they need to. For this example, I'm just going to send everything. So confirm send goods. Done. Right, so the same amount has been sent, and the last part is for the receiving outlet to receive it. Okay, so I'm going to demo how it's going to look like for receiving outlet. So assuming now I'm going to receive, so I filter by incoming. I look for those that other outlets sent to me. This one was sent to Bugis to my current outlet, Reed Hill. So I can see that they already sent out the items, and I have not received it. So I can click on receive. Again, key in any reference number, for example, DO. And this is the amount that I have received. Confirm receipt. Done. So all the amount is clearly shown here on the screen and 100% has been received. Okay. So the last point is that they actually can complete the outlet that is sending the goods. Once everything has been 100% received, they can actually set the status to completed. Okay, so that's the feature. It's pretty straightforward. If you have any question, feel free to come and check with me, or we can have another section where we can have a Q&A to answer some of the possible questions. Okay, I'll share with the guide with Fanny, and then she can share with all of you. Thank you.